Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing same chapter, chapter number 9, Log on to Animate CC. And today we will cover rectangle tool, oval tool and polystar tool. So let's start it. So look at here. If we want to make a rectangle or a square shape, from the tool panel we will select on rectangle tool. This one is our rectangle tool. At the left side under the tool panel, this one is our rectangle tool. And when we will right click on it, all the hidden tools of rectangle tool will be available. Firstly, right click on this tool, and after that you will see various hidden tools are here, like right click on it, rectangle tool, rectangle primitive tool, all primitive tool and polystar tool. So today we will discuss about all these tools. So if we want to make a rectangle or square shape, so firstly we will click on rectangle tool, and after that with the mouse left click we can make a rectangle or a square. And we can see here under the properties, various properties of rectangle tools are here. So these are the properties of rectangle tool. The first one is fill. If you want to change the inside color, so from here we can change the inside color of the rectangle shape. Stroke. Stroke means if we want to change the boundary color. If we want to change the boundary color, we can take any color from the stroke. Next one is stroke size. Stroke size means if you want to increase or decrease boundary size, we can increase or decrease from here. Style, if you want to change the boundary style, you want to take in the dotted form your boundary, you want to take in the dashed form, so you can change it from the style property. And same, if you want to change the width, from the width we can change our property, we can change the width of the boundary. So according to your requirement, we can change our property. Like if I want to change the fill color, these are the colors. You can take any color. If you want to change the boundary color, take any boundary color. If you want to change the size, stroke size means boundary size, change your size. If you want to change the style, you can change the styles. Many styles are here. So according to our requirement, we can change the width also. So when you will draw with the mouse left click, look at here. It has been drawn now. So whatever changes you have done, according to that, it will be visible here. So if I want to make a rounded rectangle, that one also we will use the rectangle tool only. At the bottom side, rectangle options are here. At the bottom side, rectangle options are here. So there are two options. One is rectangle corner radius and second one is individual rectangle corner radius. So if you will choose the first one option, all the corner point will be same, like I am giving here 20. So from the left corner, right corner, so all the corner point will be same, radius will be same. If you want to give the different radius for all the corners. So click on this one option, second one option, under the rectangle option, individual rectangle corner radius. So look at here. This one is for rectangle top left corner radius. You can change the value, put the cursor and use the backspace. Provide the value according to your requirement. This one is for top right corner. According to your requirement, you can give the value. This is for bottom left. This is for bottom right. So according to your requirement, you can give the value, provide your value. And now look at here. These corner points radius values are not equal, so that's why you can look at here. Now it is displaying like that because we have given the value from the top left 10 radius we have given corner radius. Here for the top right we have given 40, like that we have given different values. So if we want to change the radius, corner radius, so this is not possible by using the rectangle tool. This problem can be solved by using the rectangle primitive tool. For example, I want to change the radius. I want to change the radius of this one. This one from the bottom corner side, bottom right corner side. We can't do it. If now we will provide, so it will not change this one shape. This one will be for the next shape only. So if you want to make any changes in this one or the previous one, so use rectangle primitive tools. So how you will do it? Choose the rectangle primitive tool, and after that, for example, I am taking here radius 40. Now I am trying to make it. I have made this one. So what is the difference between the rectangle and the rectangular primitive tool? Here, if we don't like this one radius, we want to change it, we can. But when we have used the rectangle tool, that time we can't change. So if, for example, if you don't like this one corner radius 40, you want to take 70, so automatically it will be changed according to that only. So according to your requirement, you can give, then automatically it will be changed. So like that, you can provide your value according to your requirement if you want to do modification. Now we have given 10. So look at here. Now corner point has been decreased. So same like that, if you want to make the oval shape, oval tool, and the same difference between the oval tool and oval primitive tool. This is our oval tool. And all the properties are same. If you want to change the fill color, stroke size, the properties are same. If you want to change the angle, start angle and end angle, so according to your requirement, you can give the start angle and end angle. By default, it is 0. So when you will try to make it, you can look at here. This will not make the oval shape. So by default, it is 0 because we are making it oval shape. So like that, we can make it. So next one is Polystar tool. Polystar tool. So if you want to open a new file, you can press Ctrl+N, or you can go to the file menu and then click on new option. A new file will be opened. Polystar tool is used to draw a polygon or a star. If you want to make a star, then also you will use the polystar option. And if you want to make a polygon, you will use the polystar option. So polystar, poly means polygon you can draw, and star means you can draw the star also. So just right click on this option and choose your option polystar. So with the mouse left click, hold down your mouse left click and draw your shape. If you want to increase or decrease the number of sides, like here in my polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are here. If you want to increase or decrease the size, then go to tools option, and here under this style, you can see here there are two options. One is polygon, second one is star. So we are making polygon. How much sides you want to take it? I am taking here 9 side. So when you will draw your polygon, then you can look at here. How many sides are here? 9. And same like that, if I want to draw a star, click on star option. And same, you can give the value. How many sides you want for your star? So I have given here 5. So like that, you can make your star. How much big or how much small you want to make, you just take it. With the mouse left click, hold down your mouse left click, and then after making it, just release your mouse left click. All the other properties are same. Fill color, stock color. So you can look at here also, some defaults are here. According to your requirement, you can change the color, you can change the boundary. So it's up to you which one you want to take, how much size you want to take, which one style you want to take.